Welcome to Common Ground's new digital platform, where you can tap, scroll, watch, and listen to your favorite magazine content on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Let's take a look at some of the features. Your home base in each digital magazine will be the gray bars at the top and the bottom of your screen. Click anywhere on your screen or mouse over for the menus to show. You can access one of our favorite new features, the Digital Magazine Archives, by clicking here. Scroll through the visual library to view past issues and the first page of each article or section to quickly get to where you want to go. As you scroll through each page, you'll notice article headlines, page numbers, and URLs flashing on your screen. When you're ready to switch to the article view, click on the red headline. This brings us to another new feature, narrated articles. Now you can listen to articles while you're on the go or while you multitask by clicking here.
Departments. Your turn. By Common Ground, September-October 2018.
You'll also find that we're now bringing you new ways to experience CAI's terrific content through videos and slideshows. When you click through to an article, simply scroll down and look for this icon. Click on the play button to start the video.
There was just nothing here. Everything that could melt, melted.
With all these new features, as well as the ability to share, search, and take notes on the current issue, you can interact and engage with the magazine how you want. So go ahead and tap, scroll, watch, and listen. Enjoy!